Hello children. Hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn maths lesson number 8, number given in a picture from maths textbook. Today in this lesson we are going to count the objects given in the picture and will learn to write in tens and units place, in number as well as in words. Look at the picture and write the numbers in numerals as well as in words. So we are going to write the number as well as in words. First, we are going to count how many bundles of sticks are there in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number you are going to write in tens place is 4. Let's count how many sticks are there in units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we are going to write in units place. And below that in words, that is FORTYSEVEN, 47. In tens place we will write 4 and in units place 7. In the box below we will write in words, that is 47. Look at the picture and write in words. Now we are only going to write in words, spellings. In tens, how many strings of beads are there? 2 string, that is 110, 210. 2 tens are 20. And in units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In units, there are 6 beads. So in tens place, there are 2 tens. 1, 2. 2 tens are 20. In units place, it is 6. So 20 plus 6, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. In the box we will write in words, that is 26, TWENTYSIX. Look at the objects and count and write their number in the box below. Now we are going to write only number. So how many blocks of tens are there? 1, 2, 3. In tens place we will write 3. And how many blocks in units? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 we will write in units place. In tens place we will write 3 and in units place 4. In the box below 3, 4, number 34 together we will write. Now children, come to page number 13 of your maths textbook. We are going to solve this one by one. See how the numbers given in the pictures have been written. As per the given pictures in the boxes, answers are written in numbers as well as in number names, words. So in tens, how many blocks of tens are there in tens place? 1. And in units place? 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2 is 12. TWELVE. Second picture, how many blocks of tens are there in tens place? 1, 2. So in tens place we will write 2. Let's count in units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In units there are 8 blocks. So in units place we will write 8. 20 plus 8, 28. TWENTY 20, EIGHT 8, 28. This is the last picture. In tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. In tens place we'll write 4, and in units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In units we'll write 7. So 40 and 7, 40 plus 7, 47. FORTY 40 SEVEN 47. Look at the pictures and write the numbers in words as well as in numerals. So we are going to solve this in same way. In units, tens and units, we will write in number. Box below that we will write in words. Let's see the first picture. How many tens and how many units are there? One 10 and 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 14. FOURTEEN 14. Second picture. In tens place, how many rupees note you can see? It's 10 rupee note. And there are 2 notes. 1, 2. So 2 tens are 20. And units, how many 1 rupee coins you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, we are going to write in tens place, and in units 8. 28. In words, TWENTYEIGHT 28. Third picture, there are bundle of sticks. Let's see how many bundles of sticks are there in tens and units place. In tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles of sticks. So in tens place we'll write 4. And in units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In units place we'll write 7. 47. FORTYSEVEN 47. Now we are on third question. Children, in maths textbook there is some printing mistake. In this question, write the proper number in the blank space. It is not number, name, because the first picture you can see it is solved in number name. Write the proper number name in the blank space. Now in tens place, how many tens you can see? 1, 2. 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. And in units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 26 we are going to write in words. TWENTYSIX. Same way we are going to solve this 2 pictures. In second picture, how many tens are there? 1. And in units, 1, 2, 3. In tens place there is 1 10. 1 10 is 1 0 10. And in units it is 3. So 10 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12, 13 is 13. Number 13 we will write in words. THIRTEEN 13. Third picture. Now let's see how many bundles of sticks are there in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles. So 4 tens are there. 4 tens mean 40. Let's count in units. How many sticks are there in units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 plus 5, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So, FORTYFIVE. 45 you will write in words. Now come to page number 14 of your maths textbook. Look at the objects, count them and write their number in the circle below. Now we are going to write number. How many tens are there? How many blocks of tens are there in tens place? 1, 2, 3. So you are going to write number 3 here in tens place. And units 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in units place. Number 34 we are going to write together. Look at the second picture. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in units 1, 2, 3. So in tens place we are going to write 5 and in units 3. So number 5, 3, 53 we are going to write in the circle. Third picture. Let's count in tens place. How many blocks of tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So there are 4 tens, 5 units. 4, 5. 4 you are going to write in tens place and in units place 5. So 4, 5, 45 in the circle you will write. Read the numbers and show the same number of things. Strings of beads, singles, bundle of sticks, singles. Example. Read the given number and draw strings of beads and single beads of bundle of sticks and single sticks in tens and units place. Now first you have to look the number. Which number is this? 3 to 32. So in tens place it is 3. Now you can draw strings of beads if you want, or you can draw bundles of sticks. So number is 3. So I have drawn 3 strings of beads. 1, 2, 3. And in units 2. So 1, 2. Place value of the digits in a number. To understand a 2-digit number, we look at how many bundles of 10 there are in the tens place and how many units or singles there are. For example, in 37 there are 3 bundles in the tens place. 1, 2, 3. And 7 single sticks in the units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 is in tens place and 7 is in the units place. So children, this you have to solve it in your Maths Reliable Workbook Part 1, page number 20. Read the questions properly and solve. Page number 21, activity. Read the numbers and show the same number of things. Write its number and number name. Strings of beads, singles. Bundle of sticks, singles. Now in the star, which number is this? 39. So children, like I have drawn here, you can draw bundle of sticks if you want, or strings of beads. So in tens place, I have drawn 3 bundles of sticks, 1, 2, 3. And in units place, that is 9, I have drawn single sticks in units place. Number 3, 9, 39. And in words, THIRTYNINE, 39. So children, the number 41 and 22, you have to draw your own. My dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Fareed Miss. You will find an explanatory video on standard 2nd syllabus, the subject of English, Maths and English grammar topics starting from lesson number 1 up till now, with notes of State Board Maharashtra. Guys, I want to reach to maximum kids so that in this condition of corona, children don't miss their studies. Lots of efforts I have put in making these videos so that it reaches them and they learn something from it. Please, viewers, don't let my efforts go in vain. So please comment below your views. For further videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.